Hello, everyone. Welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. Today's word is harada. Ha, ra, da. Harada is where? At what place? At which location? Let's see some phrases. Where is it at? In what place? At which location is this place? Let's see the translation. Haradadır. That's a suffix again. Where is it at? Or harada, simply where, in what place. Bu yer, this location, haradadır. At which location is it? Meaning, this place is at which location, basically. At which location is this place? Let's use some sentences to understand it better. I know it's a bit confusing. Sən harada yaşayırsan? Where do you live? Simple, huh? Did you notice how I wrote yaşayırsan, but when you say yaşayırsan, for smoother pronunciation, we say yaşayırsan. Now, where do you live? Sen, you. Yaşayırsan means you live, because the word's infinitive form is yaşamak. Yaşayır, lives. Yaşayırsan, you live. Where do you live? Let's see another sentence. Buralarda yaxşı milli restoranı harada tapmaq olar? Now, let's see the translation. Where can I find a good national restaurant around here? You see how usually in English when you ask something, can I, did I, do I, is it, we don't have that. You signify it the way you pronounce, the way you say the word, and then you just add question mark. Let's break it apart. Buralarda, around here. Yaxşı, good. Milli, national. Restoran, we write restoran because it's a loan word, but we pronounce it as restoran. Restoranı, the restaurant. Harada, where? Tapmaq olar, I can find. Now, buralarda yaxşı milli restoranı harada tapmaq olar? See how I put stress on the word harada? The way it sounds, you feel like I'm asking something. All right? Now, that was today's word, harada. You don't have to use it in full Azerbaijan sentence. It can be something like, no matter harada I am, my water bottle is always with me, which is true. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijan.com for more.